All right, excellent. The Crate 18 upgrade. Dang, I wonder if I can show it to you. I have to move that crate around. I put a Celestion vintage series speaker in there. Real nice speaker. The one that comes to replace, that's like the weakest link on this amp. The replacement speaker is like $25. You know, the one I pulled out after I already got out of here. But the Crate 18 with the Celestion speaker. What do I do to get this going on? And I'm a beginner guitar player, so I'm a drummer. I just started playing guitar. I built them two guitars out of skateboards. So I'm not going to try to play, I'll just hit some chords. You kind of hear that. What did I do? Did I unplug something? Did you see that? I said I wasn't going to play it. Let me tell you something. I don't have a comparison with the other speaker, but let me tell you, man, it sounds a lot better with a decent speaker. And it's got two tubes. I looked at those. It's like you can replace those. That'd be a cool upgrade to replace those with what is it, the Russian tubes everybody likes. But yeah, let me see if I can find a clean sound. That has an amp modeling of some sort on it. Alright, well I won't play anymore. I know, man, most of these reviews and stuff, the guy like, but I just started playing guitar. Here's my pedal board, man, I'll show you that. Woohoo, the Boss M25. Got a twin note fuzz over here, and this is something for the vocals. I don't know if it's working or not. It harmonizer is pretty cool, but I don't know much about it. Oh, but the coolest part of my pedal board, it's a Hawaiian mask or something. So, all right, there you have it. Let's see if we can see up in there. Gonna put the lamp on. I don't see how to put the lamp on, maybe. I can't get the lamp on. Yeah, it's the Celestion Vintage G12. And there's a guitar I just built out of skateboards. And there's a guitar I built out of skateboards. I'm waiting for the tuning pegs for it, so we'll see how it plays. That'll be another video. Peace out.